Hey YouTube, Jason here with a Day Trading Fearless again, and as always, make sure you like and subscribe to the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and let's jump right into it. So today we're going to talk about the 3200 tick chart. One of the things that I really like about the 3200 tick chart is you're able to really see kind of inside, like exactly almost like where the high volume nodes are. It's more of drilling in on a smaller time frame versus a 15-minute chart or a half-hour chart, something like that. So you're able to almost get better levels, such as something like this low volume node, right, which we could see comes here. So if price started to fall, I would probably look to be a buyer the very first touch. As price came down, be a buyer, look for a quick little bounce. Also, you're able to see what I call anomalies. Like this is not that clean of a market profile chart. It should look more like this kind of stair step, but with the gray areas all filled in, which is volume. But as you could see, you kind of have a low volume node here, a little guy here. So maybe as price comes down, you might see just a quick little action of a few contracts getting traded to clean this up on the market profile side. Also same with like this 2836 high volume node, okay, which you really don't see anything here, but if price came down, normally you'll see a quick little bounce there. It's almost like the algos are able to identify these levels very quickly and get them set up. This is a 5-day chart. Okay, and this is a cumulative of all 5 days. This chart, the white lines right here, are the the point of control. You also have value area high and low, which work pretty well on this 3200 tick chart. You can see as we rally, a lot of times price will reverse or bounce off these levels. And then over here, value area high, low, and the point of control, 70% of all the volume trades in between these levels. As far as my other market profile charts, I don't mark these virgin points of control off. I don't think they work as well. I think they work really good on the 5-day, 5-minute, but not the 3200. So that's the weird thing about market profile, or some chart and time frames work really well for some things, others work really good for others. This is more of if you're looking for a couple tick scalp, maybe a point scalp, this 3200 works really good in that way, to where you can almost narrow down almost to the tick where price potentially could find a support, kind of like right here, or even this anomaly right here. I'd look for, as price came down, I would look for a few contracts to trade to fill this in and clean this up. Even though this day has already been done, it's weird how price will actually find these anomalies on a price, and you'll see support levels. So and as always, I will share the link to this code down below. So if you want to put this on your market profile, so it will be in the description. Also, I'm using volume profile on a chart, volume profile on a day. These are the settings. Again, everything will be down in the link below. But if you want to set this up, these are what the settings are and what I show and what I don't show. So as always, I hope you enjoy these videos, and if you have any questions, again, leave them in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.